breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning. Is the breakfast included with my room?
Good morning. Yes, it is. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great. What do you have for breakfast?
We have eggs, bread, fruit, cereal, and fresh juice.
That sounds good. Can I have some eggs, please?
Of course. How would you like your eggs?
Scrambled, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I'd like some bread and a cup of coffee.
No problem. Here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
You're welcome. Is this your first time staying at our hotel?
Yes, it is. I'm visiting the city for a few days.
Nice. I hope you're enjoying your stay.
I am. The hotel is very comfortable.
That's great to hear. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. You too.
Lost luggage?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I can't find my luggage.
I'm sorry to hear that. Which flight did you take?
I came on flight 205 from London.
Okay. What does your suitcase look like?
It's a large black suitcase.
Do you have your luggage tag?
Yes, I have it right here.
Thank you. Let me check the information.
I hope my suitcase isn't lost.
Don't worry. Sometimes luggage arrives on a different belt.
I already checked all the baggage belts.
I see. Could you give me your name, please?
Sure, my name is Daniel Brown.
Thank you, Daniel. I'll check our system.
How long will it take?
It shouldn't take long. We'll try to locate your suitcase.
What should I do if you can't find it?
We'll contact you as soon as we find it.
Can you deliver it to my hotel?
Yes, we can arrange delivery.
That's a relief. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. I hope we find your luggage soon.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
The air conditioning is broken.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course. Is there a problem?
Yes, the air conditioning in my room isn't working.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is it completely broken?
Yes, I turned it on, but nothing happened.
I see. What room are you staying in?
Room 305.
Thank you. I'll contact our maintenance team.
Do you know how long it will take?
They should be able to check it soon.
It's really hot in the room.
I understand. Would you like to move to another room?
Yes, if possible. That would be great.
Let me check if we have another room available.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. I'll do my best to fix the problem. Thanks. I'll wait here.
No problem. I'll be right back.
Ordering a taxi at the hotel.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I'd like to order a taxi.
Sure. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the city center.
No problem. What time would you like the taxi?
Around 10 o'clock, please.
Okay. How many people will be traveling?
Just me.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
That's fine. The taxi can take you and your luggage.
How long does it take to get to the city center?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
And how much does it usually cost?
It usually costs around $20.
That sounds good.
I'll book the taxi for you now.
Thank you. Where should I wait?
Please wait in the hotel lobby. The taxi will arrive at 10.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your trip.